Kung ka magkano nagi kasuwag usurpation?
Usurpation.
Oh.
Si...
Isa pa, Ruben Padilla, papriso na to.
Sabi kaso ng Ruben Padilla nga.
Ito, kaya pa sige pa. Bunggo pa de.
Bunggo.
Bunggo. Oh. So pila na lang. Matatalag 18.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the clubhouse. I've got a big surprise for you.
Disney Junior's Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Plus.
I can't wait to see ya.
Monday mornings on Disney Channel.
I think I'm more of a land mammal. Brace for impact! Whoa.
If we're going into that jungle, we need to suit up for the job. Whatever this island throws at us, we'll be prepared.
We are so not prepared! Run! I am running! I'm a bulldog! This is as fast as I can go!
This summer,
Dino Island is the greatest discovery in the world.
I'm Rex. Why don't you let me show you around? Yeah! Welcome to my home sweet home. Whoa! It doesn't have a big screen TV or Wi-Fi.
Ah,
That's just my iCloud. He's always watching.
This island has the biggest diamond mine in the world.
come here, beautiful.
When in doubt, we blast it!
That's a volcano!
you're going to destroy the island.
We need all the help we can get!
Witness a big screen event
Stay cool, little doggy.
of prehistoric proportions.
We've got an island saved. Who's with us? What was that? It's my stomach. Those baby dinosaurs ate all my pup treats. Oh, come on!
No dino's too big, no pups too small.
I can do this.
Paw Patrol, the Dino Movie.
No fair! I want a dinosaur BFF. Best friends forever. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Ah, okay, stop, never mind.
Ang mga tinututukang balita at istorya sa #1 newscast sa bansa. Hatid ng dekalibreng anchors at hosts ng GMA Integrated News. Mel Tiangco, Vicky Morales, Emil Sumangil. Kasama sina Iya, Kuya Kim, Martin, at ang buong puwersa ng GMA Integrated News. Team 24 Oras. Reporting for duty. Weeknight, 6:30 p.m.
Pasabog ang community fireworks display ng Baguio City. Worth the hype, ika nga. Habang hinihintay ang countdown sa Melvin Jones Field sa Burnham Park, tuloy-tuloy ang rakrakan at tugtugan sa buong gabi. At habang lumalalim ang gabi, palamig ng palamig ang temperatura. Excited ang lahat sa mismong countdown. Sulit ang paghihintay dahil talaga namang itinodo ang community fireworks display sa ganda. Ang mag-asawang sina Sherry at Ryan Monsones hindi na ng ibang bansa ngayong holiday dahil sapat na raw ang Baguio ngayong bagong taon.
It's far kasi if you go to other countries. So here we'll go by land lang.
Akala ko malamig, magastos pala.
Kinaumagahan naman kahit napuyat ang ilan sa paghintay sa hating gabi, marami ang gumising ng maaga para mamasyal. Kaya lang, may ilang saradong attraction tulad ng Baguio Botanical Garden at Mines View Park. Pero nagpicture pa rin ng ilan sa fasad dito, example sa Botanical Garden para may souvenir.
Sobrang maganda kasi first time na dito kami nag-New Year. First time, so grabing favor ng Panginoon na abot kami rito. At Kaso lang, sarado. Kaya medyo hindi masyadong nasulit yung ano.
Masaya to build more strong, companionship.
So Rafi, temperature check ngayon, nasa 23 degrees Celsius ang chill natin dito ngayon. At makikita ninyo sa ating likuran, ito, meron pa rin mga turista, mga pamipamilya na namamasyal. Kahit nasarado nga itong Baguio Botanical Garden. Ito ang latest na balita mula rito sa Baguio City. Bam Alegre para sa GMA Integrated News.
Maraming salamat sa iyo at Happy New Year, Bam Alegre.